Terima kasih. Kunjungan ini sebenarnya merupakan tindak lanjut dari beberapa kunjungan sebelumnya dalam rangka membuat satu pusat yang kita sebut dengan Pre-Departure Center. Jadi Pre-Departure itu maksudnya adalah persiapan untuk calon-calon S3 yang akan belajar di DKIN. Bagaimana mereka bisa memenuhi semua persyaratan, khususnya dalam 3 hal. Bidang bahasa Inggris, bidang penelitian membuat riset mereka, dan termasuk tentang kultur akademik di Australia. Jadi di pusat ini kita akan mengadakan berbagai workshop, kegiatan, pelatihan bahasa Inggris, testing bahasa Inggris, dan sebagainya untuk mempersiapkan staf dari anggota konsorsium ini supaya mereka siap untuk belajar di Deakin University di Australia.
Kerjanya berapa hari di sini?
Kami di sini 2 hari, acaranya 2 hari. Jadi hari ini itu membicarakan pelaksanaan yang akan kita mulai mudah-mudahan pertengahan tahun ini, dan besok khusus tentang membicarakan bagaimana pemilihan staf atau kelompok pertama yang akan ikut dalam latihan di Kapulaku.
Ini berlaku untuk mahasiswa UNTAD saja?
Universitas yang tergabung dalam konsorsium wilayah timur ini.
Bukan hanya UNTAD ya?
Bukan hanya UNTAD. Jadi ada 31 universitas yang tergabung. Semua mereka itu dapat ikut serta dalam acara yang diadakan di sini. Jadi yang untuk kelompok pertama, testingnya akan diadakan besok. Jadi itu nanti hasilnya akan menentukan grup pertama yang akan mulai ikut berbagai latihan yang akan mulai insya Allah bulan Juli atau Agustus tahun ini.
Jadi ada tesnya ya, ada ujiannya ya?
Ya, ada ujiannya.
Latihannya di UNTAD?
Di UNTAD.
Pusatnya?
Yang tergabung dalam fakultas itu sebenarnya kita bisa menjadi fakultas lain juga. Jadi misalnya ini satu fakultas of education, tapi di situ ada fisik, ada pendidikan, ada studi film dan sebagainya gitu. Satu fakultas bagi kami. Begitu juga contoh lain fakultas kesehatan. Di situ ada kedokteran, ada kesehatan masyarakat, ada gizi dan sebagainya gitu. Jadi dari segi fakultasnya itu ada 3, health, arts and education, dan science. Science itu pun juga mencakup banyak bidang yang bagi kita sebenarnya fakultas-fakultas terpisah juga.
Jadi UNTAD yang menjadi tuan rumah di sini.
31 juga gitu. Betul. Jadi di departure kita itu, di Departure Center itu merupakan pusat persiapan untuk ikut S3 di Australia. Dan persiapan itu bisa staf dari mana saja dari 31 universitas yang tergabung dalam konsorsium itu.
Kegiatannya ini kan jadi kita sebenarnya implementasi dari adanya Pre-Departure Center yang sudah kita bangun diresmikan tahun yang lalu. Itu tujuan Pre-Departure Center itu adalah untuk memfasilitasi dosen-dosen yang mau melanjutkan studi S3 ke Deakin University. Jadi selain mempersiapkan bahasa Inggrisnya, juga akan mempersiapkan riset proposalnya, kemudian juga akan akademiknya lah semuanya. Nah kalau mereka sudah siap, baru mereka akan berangkat ke Deakin. Tentunya dengan melamar scholarship dulu beasiswa dulu.
Saya dengar tadi ada ujiannya juga, itu yang sulit.
Iya, jadi kan sebelum mereka ini, orang Deakin University ini akan mengetes dulu ini semua dosen calon S3 yang berasal dari anggota konsorsium termasuk UNTAD. Di sini juga, dan itu oleh Deakin. Deakin yang datang ke sini untuk mengajarnya.
12 universitas.
Yang hadir itu, yang tergabung itu 21, yang hadir hari ini ada 18 universitas.
Termasuk 12 yang negeri.
12, bukan 12. Satu anggotanya yang hadir itu 18 termasuk UNTAD.
Kursusnya itu kapan?
Kursusnya nanti akan dibicarakan di sini, tetapi tadi ancang-ancangnya kursusnya akan dilaksanakan mulai atau kalau bukan akhir Juli awal Agustus, tetapi kita minta itu dipercepat supaya para dosen ini bisa sempat untuk melamar beasiswa yang disiapkan oleh Dikti. Jadi bisa berangkat tahun ini juga dosen-dosen yang sudah siap. Lama kursusnya paling lama 10 minggu. Tapi kita sedang negosiasi kalau bisa dipercepat, ya. Tetapi normalnya itu 10 minggu.
Ini kerjasamanya ini hanya bentuk ini atau ada bentuk lainnya?
Ini kan kerjasamanya mula-mula kerjasamanya bikin university, kemudian diperluas menjadi konsorsium perguruan tinggi kawasan Indonesia Timur, tapi yang PTN-nya aja. Nah, bentuk kerjasamanya itu tadi pre-departure center ini, tetapi bukan hanya ini saja, sudah kita perluas, jadi mungkin nanti akan ada kerjasama riset juga, tetapi intinya utamanya adalah untuk mempersiapkan dosen-dosen yang akan S3 akademik. Itu dulu.
Di antara universitas yang ada
18 listnya, jadi 21 membernya yang hadir itu selain Unpad ada dari UNM Makassar, ada dari Cendrawasih, dari Samus Merauke, kemudian Lambung Mekurat, Melawarman, banyak deh. Ada 18.
Representative of University, the Excellency, Delegation Representative of the Consortium of Eastern Indonesian State Universities, the Honorable, the academic stakeholders of the Law University, and the audiences coming today. Welcome to join the workshop on higher degree by research development between the university and consortium of Indonesian state universities. Because of these blessings, we are able to come here to join workshop in the center of the Lago University. Our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us into the right ways of life. Ladies and gentlemen, by the time we already passed the open with this now we are going to move to the next session with welcoming speech delivered by the rector of the Lago University.
Head of International Office, Prof. Dedi Dixon, Executive Director of Consortium Eastern Indonesia State, for the delegation of Dikir University of Australia, Prof. Manani, bersama Ibu, Honorable Chris Hickey from Faculty of Arts and Education, David Cahill from Faculty of Science for Peking International Indonesian Collaboration, Ibu Rebecca Vanani, Indonesian Academic Advisor, my colleagues from State University, particularly in eastern of Indonesia, and also student candidate from some state university eastern of Indonesia, including from Tadulako University, including from Islamic University, IAIN Palu, saya mungkin hadir. All participants, good morning. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this joint workshop between Consortium Eastern Indonesia State University today. This joint workshop is important for us because today we are going to begin the implementation of our partnership regarding the pre-departure training, which was inaugurated last year by Deakin University. It is not too late to start this activity because we can still do a lot of things to make this center become an effective and useful one. I am sure we will present of members of the consortium, including the lecturer of all the members of the consortium who want to continue their study at Deakin University, is the picture that we need this center. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as a member of the consortium, Tadulako University is very grateful for the trust given to us as a location of a current implementation of the pre-departure training. Truly beneficial to the progress of our human resources who wish to continue their studies at Deakin University. Hopefully our expectation regarding this pre-departure center we will fulfill soon. All lecturers who will take dual Deakin University English Language Institute test and fill out on online application to Deakin, especially lecturers from outside Tadulako University. I would like to welcome you for attending this event, and hopefully we present at Tadulako University prepare some candidate to improve capacity to speak in English in Language Center under coordinated by Mr. Bui. Is one important preparation how to get a good candidate for to continue postgraduate studies in Deakin University. I have already suggested before that many missing information and Deakin University. Sometimes many email too late respond from Deakin University. I believe that for the future, Deakin and our university, including State University as a member of this consortium, try to make a new strategy how to make a good communication between members of this consortium, particularly Tadulako University as a center for pre-departure training before the student candidate leave Indonesia to Deakin University. This is my expectation on behalf of the all members of this consortium. Actually, Tadulako University as a small university in Eastern Indonesia, if you can compare with Hasanuddin University. I'm sorry, Prof. David Dixon is executive director, many jobs, other as executive executive director in this consortium. So Philip Dizzy, related to the election for the rector in National University, and also many activities. So I believe that if Tadulako and Member State University, this consortium, try to build a good communication and make closer coordination between one university each other, how to move a new strategy to getting opportunity, particularly student candidate PhD on master degree Deakin University for the future. Finally, please accept my apology if the activities or situation during these 2 days will not last like your desires, or perhaps our services less satisfactory.
Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Delivered by Professor Muhammad Bashir as Director of Tadulako University. Ladies and gentlemen, next we are going to move to the second part with a speech presented by the Executive Director of the Consortium of Eastern Indonesia State Universities. Please welcome Mr. Professor Dedi Dixon.
Selamat pagi, good morning. May God bless us all the time. On behalf of the consortium, first of all, I would like to extend our appreciation and thank you, especially to Professor Bashir, Director of Tadulako University Center. Our hand for Prof. Bashir. Behind him is Professor Mary, who also tireless efforts to establish this made possible by Deakin University, and also we would like to thank also to delegates from Deakin University, from the presence and running workshop of today's or consortium of Eastern universities. The consortium is comprised of 21, Papua and East Timor. So we have 21, and I heard from Mary we have 18 delegates, 18 universities coming to this workshop. And also, thank you for the hospitality of Tadulako Universities. This is very nice hospitality offered by Pak and the university. Our dream comes true, brought by Deakin University. We hope that this workshop will the number of prospective candidates.
The next part of the ceremony today, which is speech presented by the head of International Office Tadulako University, I would like to invite Mrs. Professor Mary Nabitugul, PhD.
But let's move to our 2 days agenda of this workshop. We place one page of paper in the blue bag. We have a little bit changes. So after this morning tea today, we will have the updating about our pre-departure center which will be delivered by the director of the consortium of East State University, will be accompanied by Prof. Ismet Fanani from the University. Then we will ask from all the participants what kind of strategic plans that we will do with the pre-departure center that already established at Teluk University. Then we will move to the second session of the workshop. The representative from the University will provide some information or the research of the University. Then we will have a long discussion about it. We have here four representatives, one from Faculty of Arts and Education, one from the Faculty of Science, from Faculty of Health, and Faculty of Business and Law. I hope that, engineering, right? Yes, science and engineering. Okay. Then what our expectation that everybody here, especially the candidates come from outside Teluk University, can meet with Deakin delegation, then discuss everything about study at Deakin. Then a little bit changing in our schedule today. Pak John Pariwono from the DT, beliau akan hadir besok. Jadi sore hari ini 4 jam 4 sampai jam 5 itu akan diganti dengan Pak John Pariwono will take place early in the morning. But the second day we are not going to do it here. We will move to the language with online application. Sekaligus ya Pak ya, online application-nya di language center. Bapak Ibu, kalau kita turun dari sini nanti ditunjukkan. After Pak John Pariwono nanti kita akan berdiskusi lagi tentang application procedure, dan we will. Once again, thank you very much for coming. Sorry about my late. Sometimes it is not only Deakin that's late. Reply the email, me as well, so I apologize for it. Ismet and also Chris. We postponed these activities about 2 months ago, but I believe there is no accident things happens. But this is a good time, and this is the right time. We will have a lot of things today, supaya ada gunanya di postpone. Once again, thank you very much, and on behalf of the other committee, we invite you all to have the morning tea, maybe half an hour. Then we come back here to this room to continue our first discussion with Deakin University. Thank you very much.
For today's activities, ladies and gentlemen, we move to the next part, which is a morning tea. We have provided you something to eat outside of the room, and you can